Hello everyone, my name is Sanchana. I am student at Amrit Indo Canadian Academy studying in class +1 Commerce. Today I will be talking about difference between accounting and bookkeeping. To know its differences, we must know what is accounting as well as what is bookkeeping. So here's the definition of accounting. Accounting is the process of recording and summarizing financial information in a useful way, whereas bookkeeping is an activity that deals with the recording of financial transactions. It is very essential part of the accounting process. Most people would be hard pressed to describe the difference between an accountant and a bookkeeper. While these financial roles share common goals, they support different stages of accounting process. Where bookkeeping ends, accounting begins. The work done by a bookkeeper and an accountant often overlap, as bookkeeping is a part of the accounting process. A bookkeeper records and classifies a company's daily financial transactions such as sales, payroll, payment of bills, etc. Their focus is on accurate record keeping with less focus on analytics. An accountant builds on the information that is provided by the bookkeeper. They typically review financial statements prepared by a bookkeeper. An accountant takes the next step and analyzes, reviews, and interprets financial information for the company. They turn the records into reportable data that is used for decision making. Which do you need? It is important to understand whether you need to hire a bookkeeper or an accountant. This choice is primarily dependent on the industry and the level of expertise needed. And a bookkeeper is less expensive and a great choice for daily transactions, while an accountant supports and eyes on the books is great for periodic advice. Here are some questions to consider when making your decision. What industry is the company in? How large is the inventory? How many employees do they have? What services do they offer? What is their level of expertise? Now let us know some key differences between bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping is an activity of recording the financial transaction of the company in a systematic manner, whereas accounting is an orderly recording and reporting of the financial affairs of an organization for a particular period. Bookkeeping is a subset of accounting, but accounting is regarded as the language of business. On the basis of bookkeeping records, decisions cannot be taken. In accounting, decisions can be taken on the basis of accounting records. Preparation of financial statement, not done in the bookkeeping process, but in accounting, it's a part of accounting process. Tools used in bookkeeping is journal and ledgers. In accounting, it's balance sheet, profit loss account, and cash flow statement. Methods or subfields used in bookkeeping is single entry system of bookkeeping and double entry system of bookkeeping. In accounting, it's financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, human resource accounting, social responsibility accounting. Determination of financial position of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping does not reflect the financial position of an organization, whereas accounting clearly shows the financial position of the entity. So, it can be concluded that bookkeeping works as a platform to accounting procedure, as bookkeeping is the initial stage or inception of accounting. Hence, bookkeeping is an inseparable part of accounting. Bookkeeping acts as a base for the accounting, and so if the bookkeeping of record is done properly, then it is supposed that accounting will also be perfect and vice versa. The task of bookkeeping is a clerical one. Therefore, a little knowledge of commerce is sufficient for it, while the task of accounting is an analytical one, so thorough knowledge in this field is required. Hope you like it.